Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy Global. I am with me Sushrita Hazra. She is from West Bengal. She has secured a very good rank in electrical branch for Gate 2022. So I am just going to discuss some points regarding preparation strategy and whatever tips she has after experiencing a study or after experiencing a good course study from Gate Academy, what she has to tell right now in front of you. Just listen to Sushrita. Okay, congratulations Sushrita.
Thank you, sir.
Just start the session by telling about yourself, what, from where are you, and how you are preparing, uh, and what are the things that belongs to you. Just share with our viewers.
Sure. I am Sushrita Hazra, West Bengal. Currently, I am studying electrical engineering in Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. Recently, I am in here. I have attempted GATE in third year also. Then I prepared from YouTube and by self-study books. And after that, I secured 2789 rank. That is 2789. And after that, I took GATE Academy course after giving the scholarship test, and I got 75% fees waiver in this course, and I took the BOD course, and then I started preparation from July onwards, and from September around I started to give the test series also, and revision was continuous in all the process. And after that, I gave GATE exam in this February, and I got 289 rank in electrical. And I also gave ECE paper, and I got 1115 rank in ECE paper also.
Okay, Sushrita, when you start preparing for GATE examination, so since you are in a college only, because you are just going to pass out from your semester exams or your BTech exams, so do your college is promoting GATE or anything you want to tell about your college? Just I want to listen the things that the college in West Bengal they are promoting GATE examination, or they are just concentrating on the campus recruitment.
No, sir. There, both of the site is available in our college. There it is good focus on campus recruitment also, and also good for they give good focus on GATE exam also. Many core branches students, especially electrical EC students, prefer the GATE exam, and some have also preferred for MS in foreign also. So they gave the GRE exam. So and placement status is also good. If I can say almost 90 to 95% students are placed also in IT companies. So
Hmm.
of the segments are equally good.
So means your college is having a good environment of preparation of different examinations, and they are promoting all these things in your college. Okay. So if I ask about your college again, so do you have any friends with you who is preparing this GATE examination, or you are alone at your college who is preparing this particular examination?
No, no, I have many couple of friends. Even my roommates also were preparing for GATE. They may be not from the same branch. And my roommates are from electronics background, and we prepared really with helping each other.
So how this environment, like if I ask you that which course you have purchased from us, that is nothing but VOD course. VOD course is a mobile course, that is an online course, and in VOD course we have the datas. You have the datas with you, and whenever you want, you just watch those datas, and you start learning from there only. Since nobody is there, since in offline classes we have so many students that is sitting with us, and they are continuously working with us, simultaneously we are learning the things with there only. But if some students are having the courses like VOD or PD or GD, they alone have the course, and we are giving subscription of only one student at a time. So how you are managing yourself, how you are we can say improving yourself day by day, but just by learning the things from a recorded form that you have with you.
Yes, sir. I want to differ you on this point for myself only. I
Hmm.
was very much comfortable with online studies rather than offline
Hmm.
because I can do with my pace, my own pace. Whenever I need to do anything, I can do for myself. I have not to wait for another to complete the work simultaneously with me. So it is rather very suitable for me that PhD course I have.
Okay, means you are comfortable with online courses. That's why you can be able to get good rank. So one more thing that I have in my mind is that so many students that they are preparing in final year, like that you got a good rank. So many students are there. They try to start preparing in final year, but because of the semester examination and so many assignments that college or are put on the students, they are unable to get good rank. So what is your suggestion that if a final year students want to get good rank in final year, so how they have to prepare, how they can manage the things, that means semester exam, assignment, so many things that in final year we have the burden in of assignments and academics also. So how they can manage, like that you have managed so many things.
For this point, mainly I prefer online studies more because we cannot afford all the time for the offline studies. So whenever we have to manage our college and assignments and our project work also. So
Hmm.
for online studies, we can do whenever we get the time. It may be in the night or maybe in the morning, whichever preference anyone gives for their timing. That is a very good point, I think. And apart from that, as I told, I started from third year as I knew that third year is eligible from this year to give the GATE exam. So I started from third year to prepare from YouTube, and it helps me a lot. I got 50 marks in third year, and my concept was a little bit clear when I prepared. When I started preparing for my second attempt, that is in my final year, and
Hmm.
I also figured out that revision was main point that I missed out from the last time as I don't have much time. So I
Hmm.
more focused on the rigorous revision and test series this time. So that's how I managed.
So from you, I got 2 points that if you are in college students or college going students, and if you want to prepare, just you have to register for any online courses so that you can manage the time according to your schedule. And second thing is that you just start preparing from third year onwards so that you can be able to cover all the subjects. So, how many subjects do you covered in pre-final year, and how many subjects you have taken for next in final year? That means how many years you have taken to complete the syllabus that you have in GATE examination.
I didn't get your questions.
Means some of the subjects you have covered in pre-final year, I think, in third year, and some of the subjects I think that you have covered in final year. So how many subjects and what are those subjects that you have covered in pre-final, and what are the subjects
Okay.
you have covered in final year?
For pre-final year, I initially started with power electronics for my first. I know that is very difficult in electrical engineering, but I started with that, and after that, I started with the maths and signal, and power electronics, math signal, and aptitude. I actually go through the crash course basically, so I uh, followed main topics of every subject. That's not just that I solely prepared through three or four subjects. I just go through overall subject by crash course. And in final year, I took the main course and I brush up my concepts and practice a lot.
Okay, so what is your strategy for revision and mock test? So how you have planned for these two?
Whenever I take any class, after 30 minutes break, I go through that topic which I have prepared notes. And the second day, when I take the next lecture, I go through the previous notes also and then follow the second notes. And like this, when I am in on 10th day of any course, so I after starting the 11th before starting the 11th lecture, I revise all the 10th lecture notes. Then I start the 11th lecture. Uh, Initially, it seems like it takes much time, but when I revise daily, it doesn't take. It takes hardly 5 minutes to brush up my one day notes like that. So I means if a subject has 60 lectures, so with preparation of subject, I have completed revision 59 times. Every day I
Mm-hmm.
revise that previous lectures
So
from
what is your
notes.
experience about your marks in test series? Do you get good marks or average marks or below average marks?
Well, three of parties available there. Initially, I get very bad marks. As I remember, I got 86 in one of the test series, but I didn't get demotivated for that. I was also always focusing on mistakes I have done. I am not. I didn't focus on why I'm getting very less marks. I note down my silly mistakes and give tests again.
Mm-hmm. So what is your future
I
planning?
I
Future
want to
planning
do MTech.
from this GATE scores? Are you try to joining some MTech or you have planned for PSU or any research or PhD work you want to do?
No, sir, I plan for MTech only. Currently, I don't have any intention to go for PhD.
Okay, my voice is audible, Sushrita.
Yes, sir. My voice is audible.
Sometimes you are I am missing your voice. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. So, should I disconnect and connect again, or
No, no,
it
it's
will be
not
okay?
required. Sometimes your voice is lagging. That's why I'm asking.
It may be happen because I am in hostel and LAN is not working properly. So,
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, since you have learned so many things from our faculties, so can you tell me some special things about the VOD course or the courses from the GATE Academy, so that if students are trying to purchase or try to learn from GATE Academy, they have the idea that what is the special things about GATE Academy.
the special thing is I always tell that it is very lively classroom-like feeling. It gives very lively classroom-like feeling. Unlike other institute courses, they just sit down and teach on the whiteboard or
Hmm.
like notepad. But it academic teachers are always moving in front of my eyes, and I feel like I'm in classroom, live classroom. And one more thing I want to add, whenever I have doubt in any question, seeing the lecture, in need of seeing the lecture, in the next moment, within 10 minutes, I got the answer.
Okay. Okay.
Without asking any doubt.
Okay, that means you feel that the faculty are teaching in front of you, though you have the recorded course that is not the actual thing. You feel that always the faculties are in front of you because faculties, whoever is teaching, they are always moving like that. They are in offline classes. In other institutes, whatever you are saying that what I have. Seen that they are just sitting in front of any board and they are just telling the things like that. So you feel that the things are in live form that is present in front of you. That is very good. Okay, Sushrita, I congratulate you from on behalf of GATE Academy and on behalf of me as an HOD of ECEEIN, and I
Yes,
wish that your future will be so bright and whatever you are planning for your future, you just get those things. Okay. So this is a small interactive session so that the students are getting the idea about GATE Academy, about your experience and whatever you have right now in. So we are planning for a postgraduate. That means we are planning
yes,
for post-gate guidance program also. And whenever you join some MTech or any PSU in near future, I will try to interact with you again, and I will try to give those interaction program with the share those interaction programs with the students also, so that they can get the idea about your future also, whatever you will get afterwards. Okay. So thanks.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.